Right, try the new topic here. The new lesson, rounding off and scientific notation. Rounding off. Do you remember that rounding off we have discussed on grade 6 and 7? Do you remember rounding off? Hmm? What is that? Don't you remember that part? I should like this way. I wrote here 40 and 50. Right? 30 and 40 are here. Right? I gave you as a question a number, right? 37 or something like that. What is the nearest number? 37.
40.
What is
40.
the nearest? 10. Nearest 40. Likewise, we have discussed, no? Right. So that type of things we are discussing from the rounding off. Understand? Rounding off. So, today we are not discussing rounding off part. Today we are discussing scientific notation part, right? So do you remember that from this one? That the margin of this one 33, 34, 35. What is the margin? That means belonging to 30. What is the number? 33. This belongs to 40 or 30?
30.
30. 34.
30.
30. 35. That is going
40.
back side. So what is the margin? I think you can remember.
35.
34 and 35. Right? Then again here 44 is belong to 40, no? 45, that is going back to. If they are asking about 40, what is that?
40.
40. Don't take that one as a difficult question, right? Simple thing, right? Okay, then let's move to the question number, no, the lesson part, scientific notation, right? Write a topic, scientific notation. Scientific notation. Right. Do you remember that the scientific notation, right? We can write down this one, right? I think you are not learned already on previous years. Then scientific notation එක අහලා නැහැනේ. Nothing, right? Assume you have a big number here, right? Big number. How to write in a different way of this big number using the multiplication mark? How to write? Using the multiplication mark, we can write by, yes, how to write?
50.
Okay, we can write different things, no? How to write? 50,000 into 1. Then any other method? 5,000 into 10. Any other?
500.
500 into 100. Any other method?
50 into 1000.
50 into 1,000. Next method?
5 into
5 into
10,000.
10,000. Right? Right? You have to know these things. right? You have to know this thing, right? In this lesson, we can write down here first. We can represent the same value in different methods. Okay, write down this one under the topic. We can represent the same value in different methods. Finish. Okay. Start to do that review exercise section. Right? Review exercise. Start to do that review exercise. Right? No need to write the question. You can write the question number and copy down the table and complete it. Right? Okay. Start to do that. Review exercise part. right? Easy lesson, right? I have to go for this. Very simply you can cover. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay. Mihini, Sandupama.
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
So you can easily write down neither 1 equals to 10 to the power 0, 10 equals to 10 to the power 1, 10 to the 10 into 10. Yes, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4 likewise, right? Yes, Utka, can you read that one by one answers?
Black.
Okay. First one, that power 10 to the power
2.
2. Second one, row 10 to the power
10 into 10. 10 to the power 3.
10 to the power 3. Then next row,
10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 to
yes,
the
4
power
times. 10 to the power 4. Next one,
10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 equal 10 into 5.
10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Then you will receive here 10 to the power 6 has been given. Then 10 to the power 6 means 1.
10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10.
Yes, 6 times. Then 1 what? 1 first row.
Is to
First one is 100,000 now. Next one that has been given 100,000. Then bottom that one
this one,
100,000 after that one. Yes,
this one.
yes. No, that yes. This one. What is the answer? The guard number again. Eh?
1 million.
1 million. Yes. Seventh column
10 million.
10 million. That means 10 to the power
7.
7, right? Fill in the blanks that has been given numbers that are between 1 and 10. What can be the numbers? 5.37. Not but between. I want first between 1 and 10. 5.37. Yes.
0.75.
0.75. Is that between 1 and 10? So what are the answers for the first row? 5.37 is okay.
4.02.
Yes, 4.02. Then
1.01.
1.01.
9.
9.
2.7.
2.7.
9.9.
9.9. Next row. That means 1 and 10, right? What are the answers?
87.5. 10.1.
What about 0.75?
0.7.
Why? That is not between 1 and 10, no? Less than 1, no? Yes, 10.1, then?
4,575.
Yes.
12.3.
Why 0.07? Yes, 12.3, then 5, then that's what, eh? 6 numbers belong to that 1 to 10, 1 and 10 between. Other 6 belongs to 1 and not between 1 and 10, right? Okay, I put a photograph. Okay, then Right. So now it's time to learn that rounding off part, right? Sorry, that scientific notation part further, right? Okay. This way, I'll change the number. Assume a number. I'll change the number, right? Here, you can write this number. Assume what is this number?
400,000.
Huh? 400,000. 400,000. අමතක වෙන්න බෑ grade 6 7 වල lessons, right? Keep on your mind. 400,000. Okay, so that means 400,000 into how many times? How many times? One. One කියන්නේ පුතා කවුද 10 වල? 10 to the power 1.
The car.
Right? 10 to the power 3. Right? 10 to the power 0. Yes, you can see here. This time 1 0. I'll reduce here to write this one. Yeah, right. Okay, let's see. Here 4,000, 400,000. So I'll write like this way. What is the number?
40,000.
40,000 into 10 to the power
1.
1. That means 10 no. Right, right. Here 4,000 into 10 to the power
2.
2. Again 400 into 10 to the power
3.
40 into 10 to the power
4.
4 into 10 to the power
5.
In scientific notation, we are writing a number that between 1 and 10. A number that between 1 and 10 and represent with the 10 to the power or something like that. Understand? 10 to the power. Right. Okay. Have you got the idea how to represent? So how to represent this one in scientific notation? 10 to the power something with in between the prior the first number should be in between
1 and 10.
1 and 10. Understand? Right. So write down under that scientific notation. Scientific notation කියලා topic එක subtopic එක ලියවද? Right here now, right? Again, scientific notation, right? If a number between 1 and 10 with the power, if the number between 1 and 10 with the power of 10 as base, we are writing
Say.
we are writing that particular number that particular number in scientific notation. In scientific notation. Right? Okay. Then you can write down this one. Complete. By writing down this, right? Write down this one and complete. Finish. Right. I'll give you to complete this one now. Right. Try to write this one in scientific notation. No need to write those steps. You can count down and try to write. No problem, right? Right, what is the answer?
78 into 10 to the power 5.
78 into 10 to the power 5. That is correct. But I ask you to write something.
7.8.
Okay, wait. Yes. What is that? That should be in between 1 and 10. Yes, Sandhukuma? Yes.
7.8 into 10 to the power 6.
Yes, that is the answer. Why? I ask you to write that one in between 1 and 10. So this is okay. But the thing is, scientific notation, the rule is in between 1 and 10. That means one step you have to cover like this. Understand? 10.8, 10 to the, sorry, 7.8 and 10 to the power 6 is, yeah. Right? Understand now? Okay. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's time to convert this into scientific notation. Right. Now try to write them. 80,000. Right. In scientific notation. Right. 3270. Right. 1 million. Five. There are 6 questions, right? Can you see the board? 8,000, 80,000, 3270, 10,000, 1 million, 4.73, 3.25, and final one is 3. Finish. Are you finished? Okay. So what to do first? First try to get the number in between 1 and 10. Understand? In between 1 and 10 නම් තියෙන්නේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? Simple. Then you do not want to multiply any number. Then you can write what is the power of 10, right? What is the power of 10 of this that particular number? Try to generate it. Try to find the answer.
Okay, sir.
Right. 80,000.
8 into 10.
8 into 1, 2, 3, 4.
8 into 10 to the power 4.
10 to the power 4. Right. That means zeros you can count and down, write down. Right. Here
3.27 into 10 to the power 3.
3.27 just into 10 to the power 3. Right. Okay. Then
1 into 10 to the
1
power
into 10 to the power 6.
1 into 10 to the power 6. Good. Next.
4.73 into 10 to the power 0.
10 to the power 0. Very good. Right? 10 to the power 0. Good. Because that will never change, no? That will never change means the answer should be 1. Here.
3.25 into 10 to the 3.25 into 10 to the power 1.
10 to the power
Minus 1.
1 or minus 1. There is a problem.
1.
10 to the power 1 means 10, no?
1.
If you multiply by this one by 10 to the power 1 means 10. So what is the answer? 32 means here, whether 3.2 means that will remove 0. That means that removed 0 is here. Right? 10 to the power 1. Right? Understand what I say? Okay. Final one. 3 to the power, sorry, 3 into 10 to the power
0. 10 to the power 0.
0, that will give you the same answer, right? 3 into 10 to the power 0, right? Okay. 3 into 10 to the power 0. So same thing, right? Okay. Right. Then write another topic. Writing a number between 0 and 1 in scientific notation. Write another topic. Writing a number between 0 and 1 in scientific notation. Around 3:10 or something like that. When will you have the power cut in this area? Don't know. 3 to 5, I think, right? 3 to 5 means that we could have that power cut from 3:10 or something like that. Around 3:10, 3:15 or something, right? Right. Writing a number between 0 and 1 in scientific notation. What the numbers are like 0 and 1. That means what? 0 and 1. In between 0 and 1, what are the numbers? What do you call them? Decimal numbers, right? Decimal numbers we have to write in scientific notation. How to do it? Let's see that decimal numbers, that means less than 1, right? The numbers less than 1 but more greater than zeros, right? There are a lot of numbers, thousands, millions of numbers. Now we can write them as well, right? Let's see. Assume you have a number like this. 0.35. How to write this one? 0.35. You can write this one. Yes. 35 over 100. No. 35 over 100. That means what? 35 over 100. That means 35 divided by 10 to the power 2. Right? 10 to the power 2 likewise. Right? Same thing, no? Same method and same thing. And also you can write down this one in different way. What is it? Here. You can take this number 0.35 here, 0.35 into 10 to the power 0. 0.35 into 10 to the power 0. That means 1 now. Right. Any other way? If I put here this one, what will happen? That will act as 3.5. Then what will happen here? One place I shifted here. One place I shifted here, right? So 10 to the power minus 1. Understand? 10 to the power minus 1. Understand it?
Yes.
Right. So if you have any other different example like 0.7, then how to write? 0.7. Same thing, no? 0.7. You can write it 0.7 into 10 to the power 0. That one, that is equal to 0.7. That one is going here 7.0, no? Into 10 to the power minus. So this is the answer, right? 0.685. How to write? Just only one. 0.6 is going here, then 6.85 into 10 to the power 1. Understand? Assume here 0.00093. How many places? Look at this one carefully. How many places? You have to shift 1, 2, 3, 4 places in between 1 and 10. So 9.3 into
10 to the power
10 to
minus
the power minus how the decimal base shifted 1, 2, 3 and 4. Understand? Mihini, Sandupama, Udita. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down that one as well. Finish.
yes, sir.
Right? All of you finished?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now do this one in yours. Right? 0.6925. In, that's right. All right. Start. And write them in scientific manner. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Finish. Okay. Then first one.
6.925 into 10 to the power minus 1.
Okay. Next one, tell me, Sanduko.
5.8 into 10 to the power minus 2.
Is that okay? Next one, can you tell me, Mihini?
18 into 10 minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6.
18 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Count the zeros first. Carefully.
Minus 7.
We can't put 18 as well, right? Because we have to put here a number which belongs to in between 1 and 10. Right? So 18 is greater than 10. No? So what to do? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Then 18 no 1.8.
1.9.
1.8.
1.8 into 10 to the power. Yes, minus 7. Understand? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Right. Then write down small topic. Converting numbers. Converting numbers in scientific notation. Converting numbers in scientific notation to general term. To general term. The other way, right? The other way, right? That means that has been given. First, what? The scientific notation this time have been given, right? How to develop that one into what is that? 6.08 10 to the power 10 to the power 4. Huh? 4. So 10 to the power 4 means what? 10 to the power 4 means how many numbers are here? Yes, look at the board. 10 to the power 4 means multiply by 10 to the power 4 means what? That is how many zeros?
4 zeros.
4 zeros. That means 10,000. 10,000 neither. 4 zeros. The zeros are represented by here, the 4, right? So 4 zeros means count from here, add 4 zeros, right? You can count 1 from here, right? 1. Then 2, then 3, and then 4. Completed. What is the answer? 60,800. How to get it? This decimal point you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4. If you haven't anything to move, add what? Add extra zeros. Understand? Here is the decimal place. Right side you should have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 places, right? Understand? Who decide that number? Number of 4? Who decided?
Zeros.
Zeros, number of zeros, right? And the power as well, same thing, right? Power is the number of zeros with one, right? Understand? You can move the zeros into the number of 4, right? So here is the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Right? Okay. Shall I discuss that one again with the different one, right? Okay. Like this, right? 8 to the power 9 into, sorry, 8.9 into 10 to the power 5. So how to do it? Again same thing, right? 8.9 into here how many zeros? 5 zeros, right? That means here is the decimal place. You can move here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 4 zeros. Why? Because here there is a decimal place, no? So you can write down like this way. Understand? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Final one you can do it by yourself.
Finish, sir.
Finish.
Right, final one. Final one. How to do it? Yes, final one. Yes, can you tell me 6? Yeah, 60.7.
Yeah.
Did you got it? Why? Here this one you can multiply by 10. Right? Okay. Then same slide. So we do another small question as well, right? Write down this one. That's all. Finish.
Yes.
Okay, then how many decimal places we have to move?
5.
5. Right side or this time left side?
Left.
Right.
Right or left? Here. -5, right? So we have to move left side 5 decimal places. So what will happen here? 99, then 4 is here, then
0.0.
how many? 1 already here, no? Then 2, 3, 4, 5 and put the decimal place, right? That means 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the decimal place here. So you have to move from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? How many decimal places? 5 decimal places. How to get it? From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who decides 5 decimal places? -5. Minus mark beside 5 for left side, right? Here again, which side? Left side. Why minus? So how to generate? 1 is from here, then another 3 because here follow 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? From here you have to start. Again here. Here is that decimal place. So how many steps? From here 1, then 2. That's all. There. 0.02005. There. Understand? Is that okay? Sure?
Okay, sir.
Right. Shall I give you another one as well? Because that one has simple thing now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll give you another one as well. Try this one. Into the power minus beta. Finish?
Yes.
Right, first one. 0.0451. Right? Okay, because that will go to decimal places. Next one.
0.0.
0.0000302.
Is that okay?
Yes.
0.000302. Final one.
0.00.
0.00999.
9. Is that okay?
Yes.
Right? So, yes, if you have any questions or doubts, now it's time. Somewhat earlier, right? Okay. Yes.
So,
So, if you have, so, okay. So, right. So next week there is a problem that Vesak festival, no? So
Yes.
Sunday class we can't do on that day, right? Sandupama online class you can join only for that day for Saturday. Understand what I'm saying? Only for next
okay,
week,
sir.
Saturday. Do you have any classes on school classes on next week?
No, sir.
Then you can join only for Saturday for next week only, right? Due to Vesak festival. Then after the next week we can do on Sunday online classes, right? So next our home class, how to do it? Within the weekday, shall we complete? Right, Mihini, can you come on weekday with Toshadi? What do you think? Do you have schools after next week?
Yes, sir, we have.
After next week, that Oliver time period?
No.
No, sir.
Then shall we continue that
Okay, sir.
class on Monday morning or something like that? On Monday morning we can't because that day before prior after Vesak, Tuesday or something like that morning. We can arrange that
Okay,
class,
sir.
right? Only one day, right? Okay, so we can. Sandupama, you can join to that class. Then we can finalize. If you cannot join that class on next Sunday, Saturday, please inform me. So I'll arrange that class on that time, this time as well, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.